Hi everyone, this is Deborah coming to you from West Coast Sweat, and I'm here today to talk to you about skaters and how awesome of a move it is. A lot of the times we're like, oh, skaters, I don't really feel anything when I'm doing it, or just, going through the motions up and down, but maybe not really thinking about what's going on in that posture. So I'll start from the top. We'll start in the middle of our mat, toes slightly turned out. Go ahead and reach your arms up. Now really focus here on your breath. You want to inhale as you lift up, engage your core, exhale, come down. You want to step back, making sure that you're stepping back in a curtsy versus a lunge. So you don't want to step back like this. You want to get that nice depth here. So, and it doesn't matter how low you go, like maybe your range of motion might be different, but getting that posture, engaging, finding your weight in your heels, and then go ahead and lift back up in the center and come to the other side. So with your toes slightly turned out, keeping your knee behind your toes here. Inhale, lift up. Throwing your arms into it as well. So this makes it a great cardio move. So lift up, exhale, core engage, come down. So your core stays engaged the entire time. Neutral spine alignment, getting down nice and low. Bring your arms up, getting shoulders back. Exhale as you come down, holding your squat, staying engaged. Using that time under tension. I'm already sweating. Breathing nice and strong. I'll turn to the side so you can see real quick. We want to make sure that we're getting stepping back like a curtsy versus a lunge here. Come down, lift up, exhale, come down. Yep, and I'll show you a small range of motion, so maybe you're here. Yeah, and you can get fun with it. Play with your arms, maybe come up nice and gracefully, and then exhale, bring it down. So if you guys have any questions, let us know in the comments below, and I will see you on your mat. Have a great day.